Hi YouTubers, hope you're well. This is Matt Feast. I would like to show you the platform I've been involved with in the last 6 weeks. It's going very well. I'm getting some good return on investments on my trading. Okay, which is I'll get paid every day, and this works 24/7. Basically, autopilot your crypto trading 24/7, and it works. Look, it's got another commission coming in. Bingo! See, it works. And also I'm building a team as well. I wasn't going to, but I decided to build a team as well. And I'll show you my team. I've only got about say a few people in, got 9 active members, 44 referrals. But yeah, guys, it's a good little business and it pays daily, and I love that. It's just a small little platform and it works really well. And the minimum to make a deposit is $100 of crypto. I'll quickly show you. When you open an account with WC Bot, what you need to do is you need to click on my link below. I'll talk about that in a minute. And then you'll bring to a sign up page and you just add yourself into the Telegram. It does it, it's set on automatic, and you go straight through and you'll have a bot like mine. It's very, very easy. Okay. I've actually done some videos and I've done a landing page, so it's quite easy to understand. But I'll talk to you about that in a minute. Meanwhile, how you make a deposit is you click on this button here, okay, and it populates saying you can either pay for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, TRX, Dash, BNB, or USDT, TRC20. Okay. Personally, I'm doing Litecoin and I'm doing Ethereum and I'm doing USDT20. That's my favorite coins and that's what I'm doing. Okay. The minimum to make a deposit is $50. Okay. Of USDT. If you are using the other coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum or Litecoin, always best to add another $1 or $2 extra, which pays for the wallet fees. Okay. Just let you know, if you're using USDT, there's no wallet fees. It's just a basic fee of $100. Okay, $100 in to make a deposit, and if you want to make a withdrawal, I've done a video on that. It's $50 for withdrawal. You can withdraw every day. Okay, so what you need to do is, for example, you click on these buttons here. I've actually done a video, so you're going to have to go through my other videos to show you how to make a deposit. That's in the main platform, okay? When you actually sign up, they bring you to it, but I'll talk to you about it later on. And meanwhile, when you make a deposit, for example, let's say USDT, click on that button here, and it will show you different sort of plans: silver plan, gold plan, and premium. Obviously, the more money you pay in, it pays you more return investment, okay? So just let you know, all right? But the minimum to make a deposit is $100. This goes up to about, say, quite a lot of tells you what's the maximum to pay in, okay? Please read this properly, okay? And then that's the address you need to send the funds, okay, to the actual WC bot platform, okay? And also, what you need to do, if you want to make commissions every day, you can do, or you can reinvest, and it compounds 24/7. So you're in total control. You have an option, okay? And withdrawals, I've done a video on that, so please refer to that later on if you click on my links or follow me online. But also with this, you can read about the company. So click on about the company. It tells you what's going on, what's happening, who owns the company. Okay. Just please do some due diligence. Yeah. And FAQ, frequently asked questions. Click on that and it brings you this page here. It tells you what's happening. It's very, very important to get yourself familiar with the platform. Okay. So you can understand the concept of it, really. All right. But when you sign up onto my link below, okay, it will bring you to a page. I'll quickly show you this one here. All right. I've done a little landing page so you can understand how to set your bot up. This is the main video. It's a welcome introduction video, okay? And then if you haven't got Telegram, this shows you how to set your Telegram account up. If you have got Telegram, I'll just skip this and just go to step 1 and download it if you're a newbie. If you're got a Telegram account already, just pass this. Okay. This is how to get started. I've done a video on this, so please watch this. Very important. Okay. Step 2, and when you sign up, it will bring you to a page. Okay. Which is the bot. So you click on this, click on that button there, and then you'll see this. Just add join it. That's the actual bot itself. Okay. So that'll be in your phone or your computer. It's up to you. Okay. There are some testimonials here if you want to see what's other members have done in the last 18 months, 2 years ago. There's some recent ones there. There's some people saying how they like the business and it's really good. And some people say it's changed their life, which is fantastic. And if you scroll down here, it's all got my contact details, my name, Matt Feast, my Telegram. You can reach out to me personally, my email address, and my Facebook. If you want to reach out to me on Facebook, okay. But also we do have a private Telegram group. You're more than welcome to come in. Please do not spam or side recruit because you will be removed. We're quite strict in that sort of situation, but we do have a very good support in the actual Telegram group. If you have any problems or queries, you can ask support, and they normally get back to you within about, say, 30 to 40 minutes or sometimes an hour. Very, very good, and it works. Meanwhile, please add yourself to the group, and if you want to do a Zoom call with me, you're more than welcome. And you can either sign up and earn and learn. It's completely up to you. Some people do. They sign up and then they don't really know what they're doing. And obviously reach out to me or reach out to support. You know, don't be left alone. We're here to help you grow your income to the next level. Okay. Any problems, any issues, please reach out to me, and also leave me a like on my video if that's not, you know, if you like my video, and also subscribe to my channel. Meanwhile, have a great day, and thank you very much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Take care and have a great day.